Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging problem in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you want to play Reels on your Instagram and facing the issue that Reels are lagging, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after this simply you need to open your general and guys click on iPhone storage. And guys, here you need to find Instagram. So guys, after finding Instagram you need to click on Instagram and guys click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, the third method is you need to open your app store here. And guys, here you need to update your Instagram. So guys, maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So guys, if you have update on your iPhone and Instagram, simply you need to update your Instagram on iPhone. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, simply your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to scroll it down, click on general. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management. So guys, if connected VPN, then guys you need to disconnect it. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.